Hello students, this is Brown Book Cello, page 33, Oh Susannah. Before we get started, I just want to make a few comments. If you look all the way at the end of the piece, we have a whole note D. So what we'd like to do is when we're playing, the note before that whole note, we want to make sure that we're close to the frog as possible so we can have the entire length to play all four notes. Also, I see a lot of F sharp to A and A to F sharp, which means we want to have our F sharp tunnel, our nice curve, so that we are able to play F sharp and A without having to move that finger. Cellos like to be as not lazy as possible, but we don't like to use energy if we don't have to. So that's one of our goals, is to make sure that we have that F sharp tunnel happening. Let's see, we also have two notes in our pickup. So instead of starting on beat 1, we actually start on beat 3. So it's rest, rest, okay? So I'm going to count to 4, then I'm going to count to 2, and then we'll come in on beat 3. Also take note that at the end of measure 3, in line 3, we have a double, or a 2-beat rest. So it kind of looks like a top hat or a stick of butter on that middle line there. That means that it gives 2 beats of silence, 2 beats of rest. Okay. So let's start. Let's play it really, really slow, going through each line, kind of pausing after each line, and then going all the way through the piece, and then we'll play it again a little bit faster with the metronome. Okay, here we go. So finding my best cello position, got my situation up here so that, you know, a tiny chipmunk can fit on my shoulder. It's a little close to my left ear. My bow hold looks really good. My thumb is nice and bent, and my fingers are hanging over. And let's play it. Okay. From the beginning, my hand's nice and curved, not too high, not too low. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Make sure F sharp tunnels. Good. Freeze there. We should be on a down bow. F sharp. Second line. 3, 4. Going to go into an up bow on the third line. 3, 4. F sharp tunnel. Rest, rest. Good. So now we're set up for our 4th finger G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And good, and make sure that your bow's not too high, your bow is not too low. Also notice in line 3 that rhythm in the second measure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it changes on the 2 and it changes on the 4. Let's put our hands out like this. We're going to shadow bow that section really quickly and check on our bow hold to make sure that our thumbs are nice and bent, our pinkies are on the frog. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do that together. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Don't hit your ceiling like I did. Okay, let's play it one more time all the way through with our metronome without stopping. Let's see. What tempo do we want to take it? Let's set it at 60. Okay? So here we go. 60 beats per minute all the way through without stopping. Okay, I'm going to count to 4, then I'm going to count to 2, then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Nice job, guys.